Hey guys, just want to show you we have these tested and balanced, I would say, very good standard battery cells. We have two of these in our 7.2 volt battery. So two cells in one battery module. We have this employee over here. He is installing the battery cells and the connections over here. So as you can see, they're being assembled in one pack before putting into individual pieces. Here is our production line. As you can see in the back over here, we have the battery being assembled and then the circuit board. And once these are done, they are put into single pieces. This is our final stage. As you can see, these have individual lights and they have different frequencies and different color, and they mean different things. So our technicians can look at these lights and figure out if there's a problem or everything is okay. So again, this is the final stage where it's self-balanced, charged, test, and then finalized to be delivered. Here we have these finalized battery. As you can see, they are individually packed. As a pack, it's been balanced, tested, packed and ready to be packed and delivered to our customers worldwide. We welcome any inquiries. We welcome suppliers. We welcome individual retailers to reach out. Thank you so much.